In this video, I'm doing a themed tablescape. So if you're interested, stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and then give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled A Blast to the Past. That's why you see the curly wig. This is the close I had to a fro, okay? And the makeup is from the 70s era. All the way up. Yeah, that's just blinding, but that is. I saw a picture on Pinterest and went with it, okay? So here is my 70s look. And I'm going to insert a couple of pictures of my full outfit. Yes. But the Blast from the Past is a tablescape, and it is hosted by two wonderful YouTube friends of mine. It's Mary at Home with Mary and Tammy at Me, Myself, and I'm DIYing It. Now, if you haven't heard of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description box when it becomes available. Now, all they ask is that we decorate our table in a theme for from the past, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, however you want to do it. And it was up to you if you wanted to dress the part of the era that you're coming from. Well, I chose the 70s because I grew up in the 70s and I remember some of the outfits that my aunts wore and how they wore their makeup and the dishes that they used at that time. I had some close to it, but I made it work. A sister made it work. So all they ask is you follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be listed down below in the description box. And they have a hashtag, and I will run it across the screen. Blast to the Past 2020. So if you want to see what I came up with for my Blast to the Past tablescape, you know what to do. Stick around. Well, here is my Blast to the Past tablescape. I did it really basic. I have the yellow placemat, the white chargers. I have yellow plates and the sunflower dessert plate, well, tiny plate inside a dessert plate. I used a really psychedelic color runner, and I have a vase with just wildflowers in it, sunflowers and all kind of other wildflowers inside. And then the yellow salt and pepper shakers for thrifted. The glasses, my grandmother always had the colored ones like the glasses I have on the table, but I don't have the colored ones, so I used the clear ones that I do have. Now everything on this table I already had. I didn't purchase anything new. I have the yellow napkins, they were from eBay, and the green napkin ring. I tried to keep as close to the era as I could with the items I had on hand. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun coming up with my ideas and with my wardrobe for this challenge. As always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.